Hello everybody, and this short video is about being careful in December on the roads and in the car parks, because if you're new to driving, whether you're learning to drive with your parents or an instructor, or whether you pass your driving test and this is your first Christmas, December, even January to a certain extent, where you've passed and you're on your own, then there's things you need to be wary of. You might already be wary of these things, but I'm just going to give you a few pointers to help you. Car parks are going to start getting full. Car parks that are normally pretty quiet where you go to, you'll turn up a week or two before Christmas and they start to get a little bit crazy. People are sometimes arguing for spaces. It's really crazy. So if you see a space, don't hang around. Be careful, good look round, make sure you're getting it, because if you drive past it and come back, it's probably gone. And like I say, I've seen people over the years who are just gonna try and nip in a space if you're not quick enough. So be quick about that. And on the roads they get really busy because Aunt Sarah or Aunt whatever, or uncles have gone. They've gone driving, picking up presents for the first time in 12 months. They realise that they've got to go shopping and get the presents, and all of a sudden the roads get busier. Or a couple of days before Christmas, they're going to get chaotic where people are doing crazy things at roundabouts. They should be giving way to you, and they're pulling in front of you and they're cutting across you. So these are the things that you've got to be wary of, because if you're not, you're going to get caught out. Someone's going to drive into you, or you're going to drive into the back of someone, so they suddenly slam the brakes on because they're not looking what's going on. Or they suddenly turn into you from the side. So be wary on the roads, especially on roundabouts, especially at busy junctions, especially in busy car parks. I can't say it enough. I've seen it time and time again each year, where drivers in December just suddenly get a bit crazy on the roads. So be careful. Give yourself extra time to get from A to B. And if someone ahead of you looks a little bit dodgy with the driving, give them a little bit of space, because don't be surprised if they come right across you and they suddenly realise they're going to need to get off at that exit. Okay, quick one, safe driving, and good luck over December.